How to fix Claude verification code not sent. Now, to do that, you make sure you have a good data connection. You can change your mobile data and use your Wi-Fi, or you change from your Wi-Fi and use your mobile data. You can even turn on your airplane for at least 10 to 15 minutes. This will help reduce the bug and glitches in the device or in your app at that particular time. The next thing you can do is to go to your Gmail. If you are using Gmail method to receive it, check your spam, make sure that you go through it very well. You can also come and to all mail, click on the all mail option here. So if you have a new message, you are going to actually see it here. If you feel you are not seeing it, you can even click on is unread, so that you look for the unread message and check it from this section. The next thing you can do is to go out from this. Now you can restart your phone. Click steadily on the power button for at least click on the restart option and restart your phone. When you do that, it will help your phone or any device you're making use of to be more active at that particular time. Now, if you feel that the Claude app is outdated, you can even update it by going to your Play Store or App Store. So right here on my Play Store, if you are not seeing this open here, it means that your Claude app is outdated. You just click on updates if you have updates and update it. This will help you to receive verification or OTP anytime you start the verification process again, which simply means that after looking for it the first time and you did not see it, and after clearing all the settings, you have to restart again. Now, to start again, you have to complete the following. Also, clear your cache. Now you just have to search for Claude app again. Click steadily on, click on the app info here. So from here, you have to click on storage and cache and clear your cache. When you clear your cache, you can now go back and restart the process of verification. With this, a code will be sent to you either through your Gmail or your phone number, depending on the method you're using to receive the code. With this, I hope you're able to fix Claude verification code not sent. If this video was helpful, please ask all related questions on the comment section. Thanks for watching.